Hi, I'm 12 News meteorologist TJ Del Santo with a quick update for you on the weather. We are now in a winter weather advisory all of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, with the exception of Block Island. They're expecting a little bit less in the way of snow. Let's get you caught up to date. The timeline still basically the same. Tonight after 10 p.m., that's when the snow begins. Midnight to 5 a.m., that's when we could be seeing the steadiest and maybe a little heavier snow, and visibility could become poor during that time frame. Thursday morning, that's when it comes to an end, like 6 to 8 a.m. or so. Mainly 1 to 3 inches of snow across the area. There could be some higher amounts, especially out toward New Bedford and the Cape. So we upped the amounts just a little bit. We had a coating to an inch, possibility of 3 inches of snow across Rhode Island in spots. 2 to 4 inches as you head out toward New Bedford and Cape Cod. Block Island, you might get closer to an inch or two there. Travel conditions, we haven't really changed this at all. We are expecting the conditions to be fine this evening. If you have any plans, dinner plans, early evening, look to be fine. We'll start to see conditions deteriorate on the roadways midnight, a little bit after that, 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. We are expecting poor travel conditions with poor visibility at times and the roads becoming snow covered. 6 a.m., we'll start to see some improvements. I'm sure the road crews will be out there and the precipitation will start to lighten up. All right, less windy for today. We're looking at snow tonight, generally 1 to 3 inches across the region. Slick roads, as we mentioned. A cold start to 2026. We're expecting cold temperatures to be here for our first day of the new year. So we're looking at clouds mixing with sun during the afternoon. There might be a couple of snow flurries developing along the immediate south coast late afternoon and evening. Here comes that snow around midnight tonight. It could become a little heavy at times, especially as we get into like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Maybe an additional snow shower or two coming through around 8 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll start to see the skies clear and colder air rushing in. Temperatures actually falling through the daytime tomorrow. Friday, I think we're dry. Right into Friday evening, but continued cold. All right, forecast for today. Partly sunny, not as windy, about 33 for a high, few flurries at the coastline. For tonight, we're going to be seeing the snow developing toward midnight, generally 1 to 3 inches across the area, winds from the southwest 5 to 15. The snow chances tonight, another look at the timeline. You can see the best chance of any snow would be after about 11 o'clock or so and continuing right through 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and some lingering snow showers even at 5 a.m. But the best chance, the steadiest of the snow, probably 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning or so. Another look at that snow accumulation map, generally 1 to 3 inches across the region, 2 to as much as 4 inches as we head out toward New Bedford and Cape Cod and the islands. So a little bit more confident that they'll see a little bit more snow out there. Now for tomorrow, a lingering snow shower early on and then clearing out and temperatures dropping. Now we're going to start out around 29 in the morning, but look what happens. Temperatures falling with the winds increasing. Could be looking at gusts to 30 miles an hour from the northwest and west tomorrow. And temperatures falling through the day. It'll likely feel like it's in the single digits and teens at times for New Year's Day. Tough for the polar plungers and the penguin plungers getting out of that water. Friday, we're dry, about 29 degrees. We'll have an update for you coming up later today on 12 News.